Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into eToro account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up a web browser. Now in the search bar, type in www.etoro.com. After you come across this official page, click on the login option in the top section of your screen. Here, if you click on the flag icon in the top right corner, you'll be able to select different languages. If you had used your Apple or Facebook or Google account while creating an account, then click on those options respectively in order to log in. Or if you had used your email or username, then enter your email address or username associated with your account and your valid password. If you do not have an account, then click on sign up link to make one. Finally, after entering your details, click on the sign in button to proceed. And that is how you can log into eToro account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.